YouTube? On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Open Government Investigations. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on November 11th, 2019 in Naples, Florida. The auditor was exercising his First Amendment right by filming anything he could see from public property when he notices a police cruiser blowing through a stop sign. When the auditor goes to confront the officer, he is met with hostility. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
Really? 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 You're gonna blow through the stop sign? Really?
I'm coming to check on you, see what you're doing, that's why.
Okay, yeah, you still have to obey the law.
You know what?
I'm doing everything I'm doing is perfectly legal. Name and badge number, like you're required to give per 02.4 of your, what do you call it?
Before you start all that, you came here because you're acting suspicious.
Suspicious, is that a misdemeanor or a felony in the state of Florida, sir? What's your name and badge number? Yep, perfectly legal. Even says so in the bolo. Even says so in the bolo. Go ahead and take a picture. It's your First Amendment right.
So what's your deal, man?
My deal is the fact that you guys constantly break the law and you guys don't hold yourselves accountable, and it's bullcrap.
I'm trying to get here because people are calling about it.
And you know what? It's not a crime.
You know what? We don't know it's a crime until we get here. So
T. Horseman?
take whatever you got going on here.
Can I get your ID number? You're required to by 0.24 or
Can you
it's
stop?
02.4
I
of your
understand
policy.
that.
Well, you haven't given it to me yet. I've asked.
Because I'm not ready. I'm not done with you yet.
What have I done?
Why are you here?
Am I being detained?
Am
I being detained?
You came up to me, bro.
Yeah, because you blew through the stop sign.
Yeah, you're being detained because people are calling on you because they think you're.
And guess what? It's perfectly legal, and on the back it says press. Wow.
That's a good one.
It's a good one, yeah, because everybody has the right to be the press. First Amendment
honestly,
Constitution.
What's your deal, though? What are you doing?
I'm curious as to why you guys constantly...
No, stop.
No.
No, stop.
I'm not stopping. No. You're a public servant.
You better answer my question.
I don't have to answer your questions.
Yeah, I do. We got here.
Really?
We got a call for you because you're wearing a bulletproof vest.
It's not a bulletproof vest. It is a tactical vest.
You never stop talking, do you?
Because this is bullshit line of questioning.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
People called on you, so we come.
You know what the nice thing is? I don't have to answer your questions. What's your badge number?
I'll give you my badge number when I'm done with you.
You are required per 02.4 of your...
We know that.
Okay, so why haven't you done it?
Because I'm not done questioning you. Why
Really?
are you here?
So you're wasting resources. You gonna let them know that you blew through the stop sign?
This is what you wanted?
No, I want to be able to do this without hassle. That is what I want.
No, you're hassling us.
I'm not hassling you guys. I'm taking photos. I'm taking photos of you guys blowing through stop signs, not obeying the speed limit, etc.
Come in here trying to get here fast because we don't know what you're doing.
Taking pictures, is that a crime?
See, why you're not answering my questions?
Name and badge number, please. You're required to per 02.4 of your... Nope, what's your name?
It's Marada, 2903.
We're at 2903. Thank you very much.
I answered the deputy's questions. Yeah, I guess he had a question.
I have answered his questions. He asked what I was doing.
I've seen you, but I've never met you.
Well, nice to meet you.
Chris.
I'm James.
Nice
But
to
I'm
meet
pretty sure
you.
you read the bolo. So anyway, no. I observed this deputy going through the stop sign. I
Okay.
came over here after I noticed he blew through the stop sign. I took a photo and I said, really?
Yeah.
And then he stopped.
Okay, I'm going to explain why we're here.
Yeah.
We're here for
You
a
already
person
said-
wearing a bulletproof vest. Do you
Is that
find
illegal in
you
the state
find-
of Florida?
At this hour, I would say that's a little unreasonable, and it could be suspicious nowadays with a thing that's, if you watch the news and you see what's going on,
Yeah.
I would definitely
And
say that's
statistically
suspicious.
put up...
And that's why we're here.
So, after doing a bit of research, I learned that all law enforcement officers are allowed to commit traffic violations, but only in the instance of a Code 3 emergency. Even more so, they have to have their lights and sirens on when committing said violation. Besides that though, these officers are giving James a hard time because of the supposed complaints of him wearing what people think is a bulletproof vest. Let's be clear here, James is wearing what is called a tactical vest, which has many functions useful to a cameraman. On top of that, these deputies have yet to identify themselves. Regardless of what James is doing, it's not illegal, nor is it against the law. He doesn't have to answer questions for the sole fact that these deputies have yet to articulate a crime that James is committing. They're frankly making themselves look like assholes.
And we come in force, so to make sure our deputies are safe.
I'm sorry, what was your name and badge number, sir?
Lester.
Lester? ID number?
36
3737. Thank
So
you.
you go about doing what you're going to do, and we're going to go about doing what we do, protecting and serving the public. Okay?
Which is supposed to be enforcing the law, and unless I've broken a law, you guys are here
have a good
on your
day.
own. Thank you. You too.
This is called a call for service, and now it's been cleared. It's not a problem. There's nobody that's dangerous to anybody.
Thank you. I've been doing
Correct.
this for years.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you. You guys too. Stay safe. Please stop for stop signs. Obey the traffic laws. Thank you. Actually, no, you still haven't given me your ID number.
3089.
3089? Thank you. Got car number 952 219 and 761.
Hey, it's Jeremy, right?
Huh?
It's Jeremy.
No, no, no.
What's your first name?
James.
James.
Yes. I was gonna say I want to
I'll be clear
appreciate.
here in a second. This
Yeah.
is called a citizen contact.
Yes,
Suspicious
consensual
person.
contact.
So what I'm doing is I'm checking you for warrants right now.
That's
Okay?
fine.
When you're clear of no warrants, I'm leaving.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't have any
So,
warrants. Yeah.
Do what you want to do. It's up to you, man.
Yeah. No, I was gonna say I have no
You like to do
warrants.
something good for yourself, you know?
No, I am actually. I have a lot of people who follow this. I've actually been in contact with
Yeah, I
district
know,
attorney,
no,
attorney
I've-
general, and all
I've
that.
been actually dying to meet you.
Yeah, I was gonna say no.
about
I was gonna say you were actually the
You show up
other
on
than the
scenes
guy
in
that was
Fort
quiet,
Myers.
huh?
You show up on scenes and in Fort Myers too.
Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say like literally, my whole goal is for you guys to understand that this is First Amendment protected activity.
Yeah.
This stuff has been upheld in
You're not
countless
doing it, like I
case
said,
law,
you're not doing
etc.
anything wrong.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Like
We get a call of a guy with a bulletproof vest on. That's weird. You know what I mean? So
I agree that it's
when we
weird,
find
but-
out it's you. It's not. It's really not weird.
yeah, I agree that it's weird. Okay, I can understand the whole weird thing. However, my thing is it illegal?
I'm not talking about being illegal. I'm talking about a suspicious person wearing a bulletproof vest. And the
True.
problem with that is cops die on calls like this. So
I get that.
Okay, which you don't understand because you're not a cop, and you won't understand.
No, but I've had plenty of friends, family who are in law
You-
enforcement.
Listen, if you've never done it, you won't understand what we go through. So we come here to make sure our guys are safe and the public is safe. If you're offended by that, then you can make a complaint.
I'm not offended by it. Like I said, like
There you
all,
go. So we're
all I'm
perfect.
saying is, you obviously say like the guy could have came over here saying, I'm literally all I'm doing is standing here with a camera. I don't have any weapons. Yeah, go ahead. I don't have any weapons on me, by the way. Just let you feel a little bit easier. The only thing I have is a flashlight and a phone.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So what's your plans for today?
I'm actually going to be meeting with the administration later to talk to them. Yeah,
Oh,
talk
you
to them
mean the
about some.
courthouse?
Yeah.
Okay.
So talk to them about a couple of conflicting signs that they have that are completely baseless and have been shut down by Supreme Court rulings. So
Well, you're a plethora of knowledge.
true that there is. That there is.
Be careful. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well. Stay safe.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Open Government Investigations YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.